Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a family grocery haul. Mark has actually been food shopping, so I haven't done the food shop. I've literally just unpacked it, so I know what we've got, and I thought I would share with you what he's bought. So if you want to know what he's bought for us as a family of 4, then just keep watching. Okay, so everything is just sprawled out on the island, so I'm just going to show you what we've got. So I'm going to start over here with our fruits and vegetables. So we've got some bananas, some strawberries, we've also got some cherry tomatoes and some peppers. We've got a frozen bag of mixed vegetables, just because I find it's easier to keep these in the freezer. And we've also got some sweet leaf salad and some cucumber. We just bought half a cucumber. We've also got some grapes here. And then up here we've got some meats and things. So we've got some 2% fat mince in there. This is British turkey mince. We've also got some ham slices, some unsmoked bacon. We've got 2 packets of the wafer thin roast chicken, because the boys have this like in their sandwiches and things like that. Mark's also got me a sirloin steak. We've also got some spinach and some Pink Lady apples. Let me know what your favourite apples are. I think I like Pink Lady ones. I think they're the ones we usually get. We've also got some fish fingers there for the boys, some tomato ketchup from Tesco's, some chicken jalfrezi. These are just tinned jalfrezis. This is Mark's option. He likes to have those sometimes if we need something quick to eat. He'll have that with some rice, which is here, the golden vegetable rice. And he also picked up some plain mini naans and also some poppadoms. So we've got those. And then we've got some meatballs and gravy in there for the boys. So we've just got 2 tins of those. And we've got some pasta. We've also got some peeled new potatoes there. 2 tins of those. And also a quiche Lorraine. So we've got one of those there. Down here we've got some biscotti. These are Renzo's favourite. He loves these as a little snack during the day. So we've got 2 packets of those. And then we've got some sweet chilli sauce. Mark likes this in his sandwiches and on other foods and things. And then we've got some of these quick ready meals, because Renzo likes these every now and again. So if I'm in a rush, again, I've got those. We've also got some Miller Lights. These are the cherry, raspberry and cranberry ones, and the strawberry. I really like these ones. And then we've got some Belvita breakfast bars, which are quite handy to have also. Over here we've got some McCain jackets. So we've got 2, 4, so we've got 2 packs of 2 in there. We've also got some bird's eye chicken char grills. I really like those. They're really lovely with either like a salad or with like mixed rice and veg. Love that. And then we've also got a pack of Capri Suns. These are always on offer. I think they're literally like £1 or something like that. So I'm really loving these at the moment, and the boys love them too. We've also got some organics finger foods. These are apple rice cakes. Renzo and Vinny both love those. We've got some cheese topped white baps there. Some Hovis best of both medium bread. And then we've got some milk. So we've just got the green top milk. And we've also got the blue top milk. So I have the green usually, and the boys will have the blue. Then we've just got 2 quick and easy mini pizzas there. And then let me take you over to this section, which is the snack section, which you can probably imagine who chose all of these items and who thought they would be a good idea to buy. And that is Mark, bless him. So we've got pink and whites, because he knows that I like these. These are really lovely, a really nice light snack. I love eating those. We've also got some digestive biscuits there. Some Magic Stars. Who else loves Magic Stars? Those are my favourites as a child, so I absolutely love these. We've also got some Kinder Surprise eggs for the boys. We've got some 10-calorie jellies. These are just the Hartley's ones. Mark also got me some Sweetex, because I had run out of Sweetex and I have that in my tea and coffee. We've also got some Lindt, a bit of a naughty shop here. Mr. Kipling, Mark loves these. Trifle Bakewells. I'm not really a fan of them, but Mark absolutely loves them. We've also got some roasted salted cashew nuts, and then these are my favourite, Mr. Kipling's French Fancies. These are the Halloween version. Oh my god guys, these are so good. If you haven't tried them, you need to go try them before they run out. They're so good. So that is kind of an overview of everything we have got for the week. We do like a shop weekly, and sometimes we'll pop out and get more bits, and we try and shop our stash as well. So that is what we got this week. I forgot to show you as well, we've got some chicken poppers. The boys absolutely love these, and I do too. And Mark got me this, a cheese and pickle sandwich, because it's my craving at the moment during pregnancy. So Thanks Mark for that. So that is everything all away now, and that food shop actually cost £85. I forgot to add. So in case you're wondering, it costs £85, and I've already got other bits in here already. Maybe I'll do a fridge tour if you would like one of those soon. So that is everything that we got. We got everything from Tesco's, that's our local kind of store, and everything there is what we'll eat this week. Something else we like to do is kind of shop our stash. So if we've already got things in the cupboards and in the freezer that we can use with the items that Mark's already bought, then we'll do that to make a nice meal out of things, because I realise that a lot of those things don't really make a whole meal, if that makes sense, like the meats and things, but we have things in our cupboards like rices, pastas, things like that to make them a meal. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you would like to see next from us, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.